Hello, my name is Jefferson Abion, the reporter of Group 3 TESDA. Today I will explain what ASA, Agroecosystem Analysis, means and how it relates to growing chili crops, including insect pests and natural enemies. Before that, what is ASA? ASA stands for Agroecosystem Analysis. It is a method used to study the interactions among plants, pests, and natural enemies within a farming environment. The goal of ASA is to understand this relationship to improve pest management and promote healthy crops. The variety of the crop is hybrid, Django F1. The fertilizer applied is 4600 or urea. The plant health is healthy and normal leaf drying due to lack of water retention. The average plant height is 42 centimeter. Average number of leaves is 62. Based on our observation, the weeds is wild cucumber and true grass. Insect pests. Number 1 is the borer mouse. The larvae bore into the flowers and fruits, damaging the plant structure. Number 2 is the grasshopper. They can sometimes damage young plants. Number 3 is the termites. They attack the roots and stems, causing damage to the plants. And the natural enemies. Number 1 is the ladybug, a natural enemy that feeds off aphids and other small pests, helping to control pest populations. Number 2 is the ants. These pests often protect aphids and other small pests by farming them for honeydew. Number 3 is the peelbug. Peelbugs primarily feed off decaying organic matter, which helps break down plant materials and recycle nutrients back into the soil. This decomposition activity improves soil fertility. The observation is, number 1 is the frequency presence of the weeds. Number 2 is the LCC5 or high nitrogen. The recommendations is, number 1 is use insect traps. Number 2 is regular monitoring. And 3, maintain field cleanliness. Use insect traps to monitor and reduce pest populations effectively. Regular monitoring, frequently check the crop to identify pest presence early. Maintain field cleanliness, remove weeds and decaying plants matters to reduce pest habitats. ASA helps farmers understand the ecological balance in their fields by knowing which pests are present and which natural enemies are active. Farmers can make better decisions or pest control methods, promoting sustainable and healthy chili production.